Hello friends, welcome to the course BLI 223 Organizing and Managing Information. This is a course of BLIS degree which we offer in online mode also, and this is the third course in that program. This is a course that relates to organizing and managing information in libraries and information centers, not only in traditional libraries but also in digital libraries and virtual libraries. So this basically discusses how to organize and manage information, and this will make us competent to manage information in any way, whether it is printed information or electronic information. It has 4 different blocks. Block 1 discusses library classification, and beginning with classification as a concept, wherein we discuss basic concepts, types of classification, postulational approach and comparative study of the schemes of library classification, enumerative schemes, faceted schemes, and postulational approach, where we discuss the theory of classification which was given by S.R. Ranganathan. The second block on cataloging discusses different aspects of cataloging. As we know that cataloging is related to classification, we therefore try to establish a relationship between the two, and we discuss the basic concepts of cataloging, types and forms of catalogs, physical forms, internal forms, external forms, then formats and standards, which are very important as far as digital information is concerned, the interoperability of information is concerned. Then finally cataloging of non-book material, because these days non-book material are very important. Therefore, anyone who wants to pursue a career in library information science should know the cataloging of non-book materials also. If you talk of cataloging documents from micro point of view, we should know indexing. Therefore, block 3 is devoted to indexing, wherein we talk of basics of subject indexing, the theory and philosophy of subject indexing, and then indexing languages. And you know, after having studied classification, we also would like to relate and differentiate them with indexing languages, which is discussed in the next unit. And finally, in the block on indexing, there is a unit of indexing techniques which comes to our rescue when we talk of applying indexing in different conditions. Now finally, the block 4 discusses recent developments, particularly in view of the electronic and digital information. What changes are taking place in organizing and managing information? So the impact of information technology, online catalogs, opaques, their design, services, and finally web indexing, metadata, interoperability, ontologies. So after having studied this course, you will be very competent to handle digital and electronic information, provide access to such information, and you will be facing the competitive world quite efficiently and effectively after having done this course. If you do all the 9 courses, you will earn a BLIS online degree which will help you get jobs in lower and middle level positions, and continuing that with further education and experience, you will be eligible for further jobs also at higher levels. So wish you a very happy journey through BLIS. All the best. Thank you.